Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with the weekly update. Let's get right to it. So let's see. Hopefully, everyone had a great holiday weekend for Labor Day. I did a little backpacking trip in the Indian Lakes Wilderness area. Absolutely beautiful. Took an extended vacation. So not only was I out Monday, I was out Tuesday as well. So I don't really have anything to report on Tuesday other than my trip was amazing. Wednesday this week, stocks are really weaker based on potential sliding negotiations on a trade agreement between China and the U.S. and also Canada and the U.S. That had a little bit of impact on stocks on Wednesday. Thursday this week, I can't believe it's already jobs week. So the first week of every month we get jobs data. This tells us what's happening with job growth, unemployment, and wages over the prior month. So we're now looking at the month of August. So Thursday this week we got the ADP report. ADP is the largest provider of private payrolls in the U.S. ADP had 163,000 new jobs created in the month of August, but ADP is not really the big market mover. It's the one that came out today, which is the BLS report. BLS stands for the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is the government's report on job creations. So today we get a report. We had 201,000 new jobs created for the month of August. This is about 10,000 more than was expected. That wasn't really the big market mover. We also had unemployment remain steady at 3.9%. That wasn't the big market mover. What's the big market mover was really the inflation. We've been talking about inflation for a little while now. So wages, what we pay employees on a weekly basis, has increased from 3% to 3.2%. So now you're really starting to see what's called wage pressure inflation. And the markets don't like this. Inflation really is the enemy of bonds. And as we see more and more inflation happen to us in the US economy, mortgage rates are going to rise. So as you look at what's happening in the markets today, wage pressure inflation here with weekly wages going up from 3% to 3.2%. 10-year Treasury is not acting nicely. Mortgage rates are increasing today. So as we talked about, inflation is the enemy of bonds, and we got to keep an eye on this. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any clients that want to get pre-approved, give me a call. Love to help you any way I can. Happy Friday. Have a great day.